Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, in today's class we will learn about a new concept, and that is use of this and that. Children, what do you mean by this? This matlab ye, that matlab wo or veh. Now let's see, when do we use the word this and that? Okay, we use this. Let's begin with the word this. We use this when the object is near, हमारे पास होता है, and when the object is far, हमसे दूर होता है, we use the word that. We use the word that. Like, this is a pen. This is a pen. Now, this object has gone far to us. We will say, that is a pen. That is a pen. And also remember one thing. This and that both are used when the object is one. When the object is singular. Okay children, always remember this key point. Let's look at the few examples showing on your screen. The first one is, this is a hen. The first one is, this is a hen. Why are we using the word this? Because see, the hen is near a boy. The hen is near a boy. And look at that chicken or the chick. And look at this chick is far. Dur hai na? That is why we will use the word that is a chick or a chicken. Now look here, the boy. Look at the boy. The boy is near the deer. Is near a deer and is far from peacock. Far from peacock. And is far from peacock. So the boy is saying, this is a deer. This is a deer. That is a peacock. That is a peacock. Let's look at the another example. Now look here, the boy is showing a shoe. So what are we going to use? This. This is a shoe. This is a shoe. And now the box is far. So the boy is saying, that is a shoe box. That is a shoe box. Now let's look at the next example. The crow is near a boy. The boy is saying, this is a crow. This is a crow. And where is a tree? Tree is far. So we will say, that is a tree. That is a tree. So always remember children, when the things are near to you, आपके पास में है, तो आप बोलोगे this. You will use the word this. And when they are far, you will say that. As I say, that is a door. This is a chair. This is a screen. That is a boy. Right? So, the things which are near, we use the word this. And which are far, we use them that. Now, it's your time to do the exercise or an activity. So now make two small chits of this and that, written this and that on them. So whenever you see anything which is near to you, put a this over it and make a sentence like, this is a chair, this is a table, this is my bag, and so on. And whenever you see anything which is far from you, any object which is far from you, you will use the word that. So, quickly make any 5 sentences with the use of this and that. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.